I just want to show you 3 quick ways of getting rid of a white background in Illustrator. Now obviously I've got a pretty simple shape here, so I can just show you quickly. I'm going to just show this layer here, and I've got 3 planets that I need to get rid of the white background. So I'm going to drag this circle across, drag a copy over this first image, and with my finger on shift I'm going to select the image as well behind it, and go to Object, Clipping Mask and Make, and the shortcut's Command 7. So that's the first way, that's the clipping mask. I'm going to drag another copy across over this one. Again, select the image as well, and I'm going to go to my transparency window and I'm going to click Make Mask. Now you'll see the opacity isn't perfect on that, that's because we've got a pink object there. So I'm going to select this thumbnail and I'm going to change that to white, and you'll see that that makes that opaque. Okay, and now I'm going to select back on our image thumbnail. And for this one,
don't forget you can subscribe to our channel, and we also love your likes and comments.
And for this one, the multiply opacity, this is a good trick. I'm going to go to transparency again, and in this drop down go to multiply, and you'll see that that takes on the blue of the background. Now if I drag my circle across, position that, and I'm just going to send that back. So Object, Arrange, send backwards. And you can see it's taken on the pink of the circle, and again if I change that circle to white, there you go. And the beauty of that is it's going to keep any shadows that you've got in your image, and you just got to make sure that background's a pure white, otherwise that technique doesn't work.